Welcome. If you want to use the AdBlock on your ASUS ZENFONE MAX M2, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search, download the Opera mini browser. I just did it, so all I have to do is to open. Right now just wait a little bit. Click on the continue, then tap on the allow and continue. And right now when we enter, for example, this page, we will get the notifications that the ads were blocked, and as you can see there's this 17 or right now 18, 12, even 12, 20 ads that our Opera blocked, and there's thanks to the partnership with the AdBlock Plus. So if you want to check how much they blocked, there's 29, there's a lot of ads. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.